Phrasing post titles like my 24F dad makes it sound like your dad is 24-year-old female. Seriously, WTF is up with that? Just write I'm 24F and my dad 48M something something. This is so confusing. Every single time I have to go back and reread the sentence. Throws me off every time too. The other day I saw a post that was something like my 36F dog. And I was like, what the actual fuck, how? I constantly have to reread these for that reason. I know it's obvious on its face once you reread it, but no one wants to have to reread lines of Reddit posts. They are meant for quick and easy consumption. What really grinds my gears are posts with dialogue that have name abbreviations that make you recall what they mean when you're reading the story itself. For example, CL, crazy lady. B, boss. And of course, me, yours truly. Just write it out in the post. It's not that hard. This is my number one Reddit pet peeve. 60% of the time, it doesn't matter 100% you or yo daddy's age. Finally someone said it. I thought that's the only way you had to post things on Reddit and avoided it for years for that reason. You're 24 foot tall and your dad is 48 meters tall. It's that simple /s. I agree. My 24M friend, 23M, and I, 25M, were just discussing this. In addition, on r/relationship advice, people be like my 22F, BF, 22M, literally molested my cat and said he would rather marry his sister than me, should I be worried? And then launch into a long and dull story that doesn't add anything, as clearly from the title it pretty fucking obvious that BF, 22M, has a serious problem and it's time to take a hike. Like, why are they posting it on Reddit? He's a nutcase. Just get rid of the bastard before he decides to flick his shit at you like some troublesome chimpanzee, which he then follows up with your murder. If you're literally too stupid to realize something is up, then posting it on Reddit isn't going to help you all that much, as you're probably just gonna end up in exactly the same situation with some other person who just escaped the loony bin. Finally, someone finally fucking said it. Fuck. It's 2020. 24-year-old females can be dads. Thank you. Glad I'm not the only one. OMG, yes, LMAO. I always have to reread it. I, 28M, went to the park with my friend, 27M, to walk my dog, 4F. Was a pretty relaxing evening. I absolutely despise posts worded like this. I'm not sure when or why it started, but in 99% of posts it's not necessary and could be worded much more clearly using traditional normal means. And the next time I see a post that says something along the lines of I worked for a company whose name is similar to Schmierwindiliams, I'm going to throw my monitor out the window. Just stop it. Type the name or fuck off. What's even more annoying is when they use nicknames like, alright, so the cast is going to be me, GP, greatest person. Boyfriend, GB, greatest boyfriend. Ex-boyfriend, EB, evil bastard. Ex-boyfriend's new girlfriend, GE, ginormous evil. Best friend, PG, probably gay. Ex's best friend, BG, bi guy. So basically GP and EB were talking and PG introduced GP to GB. PG knew EB because EB went to school with BG and BG is EB's friend. So GP and EB break up and EB goes and gets with GE and GE is friends with BG as well, so BG knows what GP and EB did. So AITA. I don't know why this is unpopular, it makes total sense what he's saying. Fuck the way it's done now. Very popular opinion imo. My 24 humfim 90 $. Jadlxlydrensk skabxm k 8388 oiskiak. That's what I see. It's not confusing, but it's annoying. I don't care how old you are, because it probably doesn't matter. I thought I was the only one. This opinion is, In fact, popular. This isn't unpopular whatsoever. AITA for killing my 32 F grandma 69 F and then framing my twin brother 32 M because he ate my last piece of pie. Thought I was the only one. Tired face. I thought I was the only one. A dad cannot be a female. Don't you love when your dad makes time to be a great young woman? Smiling face with hearts, nail polish, light skin tone. I remember thinking this a while ago and hoped for the day someone would post this. Thank you. I fucking hate that shit. Yet it throws me off a little bit every time. LOL. I agree with this. Who started this trend of writing it up like that? Honestly, I agree. Very weird format. I have to double take to make sure I am getting everyone's sex and age correct in my head. I know I see this all the time and it's so fucking annoying. LOL. I'm so glad I'm not the only one who thought this. Have to reread those posts every time. Nothing wrong with a 24F dad. I thought I was the only idiot that found that difficult to understand. LOL. The amount of people in the comments defending this shit shows how many people literally live on Reddit and only engage in these types of social interactions. It's not that confusing. Parenthesis apply to the word s directly before the parenthesis. Just like above. I usually read it that way too, but I don't really mind the half second it takes to figure it out. I do however mind people shoving their personal stats into a narrative as if they fucking matter when typically they don't. Some problems are age or gender specific, but most are not, and it really is just extraneous information. I bring up things like my age when it is something specific to my age, like I'd say I'm 33 and have been dealing with serious depression for over 20 years. To offer perspective that I know about suicidal ideation more than the average person. But to just open up a conversation with I'm 33, makes no fucking sense. It's pretty straightforward. You put age/gender in parentheses after the first identifying pronoun or word. In that case, my. Well, a father can't be female, so. This needs more upvotes. Why the fuck does this format even exist? Now this is an unpopular opinion everyone can get behind. My 24F, DH loves DS too much, so I DGAF about DS because TDLR DSESESDELSLSELKSSLRKSEKSKMTRJHWERCLERCLERTSDF. These things are completely incomprehensible. I wish the people who are doing these creative writing exercises would understand the average person doesn't speak acronyms. Thank fuck I thought it was just me. Thank you. It's the stupidest shit. In this day and age it wouldn't be surprising. Oh Lord. Yes. I thought I was the only one. It's incredibly annoying.